is time to recognize the most outstanding player of Season 88. The Men's Volleyball Most Valuable Player. He comes from the University of Santo Tomas, back for the third time, Josh Ibanez! The three-time UAAP MVP is winning this award after getting it in Season 85 and in Season 86. He finished in the top 5 of 4 different skill categories and had a 90.192 statistical points to clinch the MVP award. Once again, your most valuable player, Josh Ibanez. But before we let Josh Ibanez go, it is time to hear a quick speech from our MVP.
Nakakaya. First and foremost, I want to thank God na natapos ang UAP journey namin, ng team namin, ng safe and healthy kami lahat. And of course, congratulations sa mga awardees din. And sa lahat ng mga laban ng championship mamaya, I wish you guys the best and sana wala man yan masama sa inyo. And also, I want to thank my family. They flew from Jensan papunta dito sa Manila just to watch our UAAP games dito and I'm so grateful for that. Asa si Mama? Ma, asa ka? Kay Mama, kay Papa, kay Zoe, mga kapatid ko, and sa mga titos and titas, mga pinsan ko. Thank you so much for coming here and pagpapafeel sa akin na love and sobrang sinusuportahan niyo ako. Thank you so much, Ma, Pa. And of course, sino pa? Thank you so much, Father Rodel, Ma'am Gigi, kay Sir Rod, and to the UST officials, and of course sa mga UAP officials, thank you so much for making this all happen. And sa mga sponsors namin, of course, sa mga pinakamamahal kong teammates and coaches, thank you so much. This one's for you guys. I won't be able to achieve this without you guys. Thank you so much. And sa management ko, sa VP Global, thank you so much, Sir Mark and Sir Charlie. And lastly, to the most amazing people I have met in this lifetime. Wow, OA. Thank you so much, UST community, for the unending support. Mahal na mahal namin kayo, guys. And these awards are serve as a testament that anything is possible if you put your heart and soul into something, into everything you do. So, UST has always been my home, and as long as I have the chance na maglaro and ipaglaban ang UST, gagawin ko yun. So, see you guys next year. Thank you.
See you again next year to the 3-time MVP, Josh Ibanez.